Hello everyone and welcome back. So this week is something just a little bit different. I thought I would show you my finished project for college, which has taken a little while to do, but it's a mixed media piece. The project brief theme was nature, and I had to pick 4 things from nature to research and investigate and then develop ideas from. So I picked the forest, and I picked moss, mushrooms, trees, and leaves. And then I added a little bit on as well to do with being grounded to the earth, because that is what the piece is based on. So I will just go ahead and show you guys the video. Hope you enjoy. And I forgot to say, this piece absolutely does light up, by the way. So stay tuned, you'll see that soon. welcome back. So, it's finished. Ta-da! So I think there's only 2 bits in the whole project that I would have changed. And the first one is, I wouldn't have put so much moss on the front here because it kind of lost its foot shape a little bit. You can still see the heel, but I think it would have been a bit better with the toes. But it's fine, still looks good. And the mushrooms at the top, I think I should have made them thinner and taller and definitely more noticeable different sizes because they're all almost the same size. So yeah, I would have changed that as well, but they're still cute. But yeah, it is finished and ready to be handed in. So that's it for this week. If you would like to subscribe, please do. It keeps me pretty motivated in making more videos. I did say that this week was going to be a hat video, and I did change it because I already had this footage, but promise, next week will be all about hats. Okay, so that is it for this week. I thank you again for coming and hanging out, and I will see you next time.